Hello guys, I'm gonna unbox new Samsung eg920 earphones which I purchased from samsungshop.com. Let's open it up. Packaging pretty amazing. Let's check the box. You can see the bill. It cost me around 900 rupees, which is written over there. Okay, let's see the earphones. This is Samsung eg920 earphones, which is in Arctic blue color. It has hybrid ear tape, which is comfortably fit in your ear. Let's unbox it. It has 3 extra pairs of earbuds, which is very comfortable. It has 12 mm dynamic driver, which is very good for bass. Also impedance of 32 ohm and frequency 20 to 20 kHz. Has 1.2 meter flat wire, which is tangle free. Let's check the sound quality. Please wear your earphones to check the sound quality of this. Now I am gonna start. That's it for today. I hope you will appreciate my video.